Which one do we think's going to win?
I don't know.
That bronze-ish one.
Space car.
Woohoo! Okay, that's that one gone already.
That one's gone. Oh, the white car's struggling. Let's turn the speed up a little bit. That one's out.
Woohoo!
No, just keep it on those.
Oh yeah, we have some. Nope. I think he got caught in the side.
And the space car.
Let's bring up the speed.
Not surviving.
I've sent it back. No, it's... Okay, let's see how far we can make the gold car go. Ryan, Sam, stay back.
Really far. I'd say it's all the way. Dad, just take it up all the way.
It's got incredible wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not moving. And that's the max speed of the treadmill.
Wow.
We've done it.
We have a winner.